If you're choosing between Arch Linux and NixOS, watch this before choosing, because this isn't just Linux distro versus Linux distro. It's maximum control versus reproducible systems. Arch Linux focuses on simplicity and user control. You install only what you need, build your system from the ground up, and gain access to one of the largest software ecosystems through the AUR. Many enthusiasts love it because it teaches you how Linux actually works. But here's the catch. You're responsible for maintaining everything, and updates can occasionally require manual fixes. NixOS takes a completely different approach. It uses a declarative configuration system where your entire operating system can be defined in configuration files. That means you can reproduce the same setup across multiple machines and even roll back changes if something breaks. The downside is that the learning curve can feel brutal at first because the Nix language and workflow are very different from traditional Linux systems. So which one should you choose? Choose Arch Linux if you want full control and a traditional Linux experience with huge community support. Choose NixOS if you want reproducible environments, rollback protection, and managing systems through code. Bottom line, for most users, Arch Linux is easier to understand and live with. But for developers, self-hosters, and people managing multiple systems, NixOS can become incredibly powerful once you get past the learning curve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.